First of all, I would like to congratulate the Kenya National Audit Office under the able leadership of Mr. Edward Ouko for putting up this landmark building in northeastern region. I was very impressed to hear that this is the first ever since the Kenya Audit Office was started in 1953, the first building ever in Kenya belonging to the Kenya National Audit Office. So really this is historical because northeastern is one of the regions that has remained largely marginalized for some time. So thank you very much, AG, for giving us this opportunity to have the first office of the Kenya National Audit Office here. Secondly, I want to claim some small credit myself. For offering a space for the Kenya National Audit Office to build. You know, we are brothers, we are in the national government. I'll give you, you know, when you started building here, some people came to me. They said, mbona ulipatia watu ardhi bwana? We're going to sell them some land somewhere at a very high price. I told them, you know, sikia lakini, I have also offered the land to the education department here. They are building. The children's department, they are also building here. And when I was a provincial commissioner in 2001, by the way, it's my second posting. I was provincial commissioner here in 2001 to 2003. I gave the National Intelligence Department that space where they occupy. So it means our Lord always gives out a piece of land to national government offices. The other day I offered the governor a piece of land across the road there because he has no office. He's a squatter in my building. The other guy was a squatter who left, former governor. We gave them a livestock department office somewhere on the floor, ground floor. So I told him if he has got money, he can build. I gave him 2 acres across the road there, opposite the Young Muslim and the serious court. If he doesn't build, the speaker is here, I'll withdraw the offer. By the way, having the audit office here is very important. You know, this is a very big region, 127,000 square kilometers up to Mandera, a very poor terrain, and having enough staff who are comfortable, who can be able to move is very important. So the request made by the director, Mr. Abdi Sheikh, that maybe we will require some more officers here, may be considered because this area is very, very big. For example, Mandera from here is about 800 kilometers. Wajir is about 400 kilometers. Garissa itself is very big. So having more staff in this place will be something to consider.